Having a beach day.
Hunter, go get that.
Go get him, buddy. Get him. Alright, we're back at the water. Hey nerds, how does it feel?
Okay. You want to know something?
Oh!
I can get in the water. I can go. Fine.
Alright. I'm gonna go out with
Is
him.
your camera waterproof?
No. Say hi, Hunter! Whoa! Okay. You're okay.
Hunter, you have to close your eyes now.
Whoa!
That's right.
Hunter! What is it? Ice cream? Oh, Ninja Turtles? What'd y'all get?
We got chamoy.
Where's that at? What you getting, Hunter? Bless you.
I gotta see if she exchanged for 100. What are you getting?
I don't
He
know.
said Ninja Turtle at the bottom.
Okay, Ninja Turtle. What is that? Is that SpongeBob SquarePants? Can you show me? Show me. Oh, is he good? It's good, huh? What you got?
I don't know.
Oh, yours is almost gone.
Don't worry about it, Hunter. We'll
Everybody
work
took an ice cream
Just
break.
eat it, maybe.
Uh oh, even Paul got one. And they're still filling the hot tub? Here's mine. Lucas Chamoy. And a Snickers ice cream bar. Show me your aftermath.
Stop. You're not even a crybaby.
Look at this hole.
Here, there's sand on the back.
It's a big hole.
Hunter, did you build this sandcastle?
What are you doing, Travis?
He's being a crybaby.
Still making your hot tub? Hunter, where you going?
He has to do, he's doing the pee-pee dance.
Uh-oh.
Get the poop.
Alright, welcome to Hunter's Hangouts.
Oh,
Today, we're gonna go look at this alligator that's outside. Come here, hurry. Hurry.
What?
Yeah, it's crazy.
No, wait, let me pick up Cameron. Cameron. Birthday.
Ain't no alligator on the second floor. Come on.
Huh.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, somebody's birthday.
It's on the table.
Somebody's birthday. Nobody, there's no alligator. Happy 10th birthday. All right. Ready to eat some dessert? Happy birthday. Yep, sorry.
Hang on, let them take pictures and then you can sit.
Whoa.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Travis. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Is there a fire?
Happy 10th birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday,
Yeah.
Travis.
Can I have a hug?
How come
Please?
you get two
I'm not
pictures?
Everybody give him a hug. Hunter, give Travis a hug.
Give your sister a hug, please.
Happy birthday.
Give her a birthday hug. All right, Jenna, give her my
Jenna, get it in there. Get in there.
Give it Travis. Go over there and
Which cake looks better, Travis?
Okay, I'm your super.
Give me-
I think I give.
Give me a hug.
See?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hunter, will you at least? You just popped my neck.
Oh, yeah.
I won't have you because I know you.
Travis, which one looks better? That one?
Yeah.
Hey, Hunter and Jenna, real quick, will y'all get next to Travis so we get one picture with all?
Where are you going to go first for your 10th birthday?
Hey, wait, we gotta
Where?
say cheese if you want a piece of cake. Say cheese.
Disney World? The beach?
Grandpa, Travis,
Hunter's Hangouts?
Look at
say
Grandpa.
cheese.
That's a good picture. Look at this one, too.
Look
Look at Billy. Say cheese.
Nice, that's a good picture.
Is it good?
Yeah, what?
Let me see.
What a good birthday week for you, huh?
Whoa. What is this cake for? Travis's birthday? Mm-hmm. Do you know how old he is?
His presents.
Happy birthday.
Huh?
Do you want some, guys?
Oh,
Ours
yeah.
says Amazon in the mail.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mine's gonna be Amazon in the mail here.
Do you know how old Travis is? How old?
Enjoy it.
3? So he's as old. Oh, you're 3 today. Travis, are you 3?
Dude like this. Oh.
You ain't even using your fork. You ain't got to.
He's 10. Good. 10 years old.
Yes. Is he 10 years old?
He's 3. He's 10. 10 years old.
10 years old.
I know, that's
Did
amazing.
you think we
isn't it?
forgot to get you cake?
No, he knows better than that. He knows
That's
he's
why I
got
kept you
him.
in the room. He's savage. Yep. I'm smart.
He's savage?
Stuff's good.
I'm the good sister.
Wow.
Are you savage like him?
You're savage?
Kind of.
Yeah.
God, huh?
Happy birthday, Travis.
See you next time. See you next time.
Like button and subscribe.
Yeah.
Travis, say smash it.
Like and subscribe.